Hello, everyone. This is Jeremy with Intuit, supporting the sponsor experience for QBC Virtual. The goal of this video is to introduce you to the one-on-one meeting experience from an attendee's perspective and how to manage your meetings. In addition to engagement via chat, attendees can schedule one-on-one meetings with anyone on your team that best fits their schedule and yours. They will simply click on the Schedule a Meeting Later button on your sponsor profile page. Attendees will be taken to a pre-filtered directory page where they will see a list of your team members that are available for them to meet. For example, I can meet with John Smith. I will see a list of participants that include myself and the person I am requesting a meeting with. I can set a date and a time. The drop-down menu will only show availability that works for the two of us. Once the meeting has been requested by the attendee, you will receive a meeting invitation to either accept or decline the invitation. The meeting will take place via video conference with the link included in your invitation. As a sponsor member who is hosting meetings, you can also view and manage your meetings at the bottom of your sponsor profile page. The meeting details page will include information like participants, date, time, add to personal calendar, accept decline options, and the link to join the meeting. The meeting room includes screen sharing and a chat to share links. Make sure to allow permission for the browser to access your camera and microphone. Once the meeting is complete, simply end the meeting and you will be taken back to the meeting details page where you can go back to your sponsor profile. That's all there is to it for the one-on-one meeting experience. Be on the lookout for additional videos on the gallery and sponsor profile page, brain dates, and sponsor registration payment experience. Please feel free to reach out with any follow-up questions and have a great day.